Hey guys, here's a gathering technique using plain old dental floss. So take your piece of fabric, whatever fabric it is that you're gathering, and a piece of dental floss just a little longer than the fabric that you're using. So longer because you're going to gather it. And this is a knit, so it's going to gather easily. And I'll do it with I'll do it with a black thread so you can really see. So lay the dental floss down on the fabric. Let's say you're going to do it about 3/8 of an inch from the edge, and set your zigzag on the widest stitch. I'm going to set mine on 6, and just hold the dental floss up so that the zigzag goes on top of it. Okay, you can pull it through the foot if you want. You know, I usually hold mine up like that and just stitch over. Just holding the dental floss, and the zigzag will go over it. The cool thing about dental floss is the needle won't pierce it. And just get to the end. Okay, the dental floss is under there. And then you want to maybe hold both ends, and then it gathers so nicely along the dental floss. You want to hold the other end, maybe pull it out a little longer, but it gathers very nicely and consistent. Your gathers are consistent, and so if you're going to stitch onto a skirt or a waistband, onto a bodice or a waistband, you'll be able to see how consistent the pleats are going across. Isn't that cool? Thank you. See you next time.